Alright, so in this video, we are going to clean that wheel using this Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. It says it foams away grime and brake dust super easy, super fast. I've never used this. See, where are the instructions? So we got one wheel at a time. Rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water. Already did it. Coat wheel surface with Super Clean all-wheel cleaner from about 6 inches away. Alright, so I'll go ahead and do that now. Doesn't spray very well. Is there a spray? No. Okay, it's getting the tire, wheel, everything nuts. I wish I had a spray. No spray. Oh well. Make sure to get in here. In here. Alright, that's done. Now it says, let's see. Allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. Alright, we'll give this about another 20 seconds and then call it. See what's after that. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with soft brush or sponge. This wasn't really that dirty. Rinse wheel thoroughly and dry with soft clean towel to prevent water spots. Alright. I think that's been about 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and do this. See, that's a rub. Rinse wheel thoroughly. I'm just gonna scrub it a little bit since it did have quite a bit of dirt on it, but okay. Actually, I want to make sure to get in these, so let's make sure to get inside. Inside everything. Alright, let that sit. Here, let's go over to the other wheel, see how dirty it was. Alright, so this is the front. Not shiny, not muddy, not extremely dirty. Definitely dusty though. Let's go see what the other back one looks like so we have an equivalent here. Alright, you see some sand in there, dirt in there. That's what that other one looked like. Okay, let's go back here. That close right there. Alright, that's been about 30 seconds. Go ahead and give this thing a rinse. Put this back a little bit. Let's see here. I mean, it's wet. Again, it says after you rinse it, dry with soft towel. Prevent water spots. All right. Let's use this towel again. I mean, it's clean. Looks clean. Looks like it did its job. Okay, well, definitely shiny. Set that right there for a moment. It's too hard to see in the shade though, isn't it? Let's go back to the front wheel. That one's in the sun. A little bit better. Look better. Let's do this one. We'll rinse this one off first, like it says to do. Okay. Rinsed. Okay. Getting all these crevices where that brake dust sits. All right, let that sit for 30 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and rinse. I'm just gonna go ahead and let that one sit for a little while, let it dry a little bit, drip dry. Let's go take a look at this wheel. I have not touched it since, and it is super shiny. No water spots, drying nicely. Little spot in there. Not sure what that was, but looks good. All right, let's go back to this guy. All right, that looks good. Let's go ahead and wipe this down a little bit. A lot of water down in the bottom here because of this fake bead lock, but get all that out of there. All right, still all the brake dust and stuff's in here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to let that sit a little longer. See if it gets rid of that. See if it gets rid of this brake dust. Give that another 30 seconds to a minute. See if that soaks and rinse it and see how it does. Alright, go ahead and rinse that. Alright, you see if the brake dust disappears as it dries. Nice. See, look. I can still see the brake dust inside those areas. If I wipe it off, that's long enough. Right in there. See how it's still cloudy? See if I take my fingers. See how that mark is still there? I don't know if you can see it, but that brake dust is still in there. Alright, well, so it cleans it. Yes, but it doesn't get rid of it without scrubbing. So, I don't know. I'd say soap and water. Still the best bet. Not saying you shouldn't buy the super clean wheel cleaner, but it definitely doesn't get the brake dust off completely. So, oh well, looks good. Just didn't do what I was hoping it would do. That's all right. Well, that's how you clean a wheel with super clean all-wheel cleaner.